Okay. Yamobi Kwaba, GH Live and color, the Atnas here, the quick update, Emma Yanati for the tier, and it's American Mampenny, opinion, did Joe Biden. Neho and Sam Ababetuja, Nina Mono, Yababe do sim na Yama Yanati for quick update. Nafi more to follow. And I feel now only a dear Shema subscribe to the channel. GH Live. Ni nyina mo no yede ma ye natiefo na bibia awie pɛ na no pɛ awie nwumre bia obia ye checha sonko kwan so pa e de ba GH Live so na de tie nyina ene sɛ ɔmampanyin a ɔno ene di America propon mu ene yeda esɔre a ɔpanyin no ababetu dwa sɛ abato kɛse a ɛba so a ɔne ɔpanyin Donald Trump ena ɛkɔ akɔpre abanwa no pressure pii dinka ba no so sɛ ɛso ɔde to ɔno mo enam se ebisi na pom dine no enche da NCP ensita sana do na omo ekeke kan ne ade a na ene onfamra onfanko ye bo no ye gye no ni nyina mu no aba beto dwa se opanyi a ne din ade Joe Biden akonya na wate ase se nya ade a obeto aso biem se re-election a o siki se obetimi aba be 47th American US president na say US of A president no me pacho ontumi entoa so se okwa akopre election no omampanyini de obeye nemum se efisa mre ya oka kobontoa akwa akoye ne diodum eni ade ne de nya ade a obetumi akase otoa so na enei ensam no dos was my fellow Democrat. I have decided not to accept the nomination and to focus on my energies on my duties as president for the remainder of my term. My very first decision as a party nominee in 2020 was to pick Kamala Harris as my vice president, and it's been the best decision I've made. Today, I want to offer my full support and endorsement for Kamala to be the nominee of our party this year. Democrats, it's time to come together and beat Trump. Let's do this. Enti omampanyino nensem bebre no de ababetu dwa letter no ewa kakra but okoko piemu ewa na bosna de GH Live yensa kan ene ya jemu a yede to adwa ama yenatief exclusively na omonsa aka bie no na odinkan eka se enei ohwemu a ese otoaso na ohwe ne energies na ese na pom din ne ade a otimi edi ho ababa na bibia awie peye ede ema no enti ono de oba a oyi na Kamala Harris a oba ba na be de akire afi 2020 no ono na ode ne nsa esi ne bu akase wo endorse no ono ne yemfa nominee no ma no se na ebe obetumi ene Donald Trump aka abo mu ewo November election kese no na you read statement ni nyina na da so no or say my fellow Americans over the past 3.5 years we've made a great progress as a nation. Today America has the strongest economy in the world. We've made historic investments in rebuilding our nation, in lowering prescription drug costs for seniors, and in expanding affordable health care to a record number of Americans. We've provided critically needed care to 1 million veterans exposed to toxic substances, passed the first gun safety law in 30 years, appointed the first African-American woman to the Supreme Court, and passed the most significant climate legislation in the history of the world. America has never been better positioned to lead them we are today. Na say the odi tuja and on say I know now. Okay, yantuaso. The occurrence America has never been better positioned to lead than we are today. And no ed odi tuja. Yeah, tuaso say I know none of this could have been done without you. The American people together we overcame a once in a century pandemic and the worst economic crisis since the Great Depression. We've protected and preserved our democracy, and we revitalized and strengthened our alliance around the world. It has been the greatest honor of my life to serve as your president, and while it has been my intention to seek re-election, I believe it is the best interest of my party and the country for me to stand down and to focus solely on fulfilling my duties as president for the remainder of my term. I will speak to the nation later this week in more detail about my decision. For now, let me express my deepest gratitude to all those who have worked so hard to see me re-elected. I want to thank Vice President Kamala Harris for being an extraordinary partner in all this work. And let me express my heartfelt appreciation to the American people for the faith and trust you have placed in me. I believe today what I always have, that there is nothing America can do Of course, there is nothing America can't do when we do it together. We just have to remember we are the United States of America. And to sign Opani and did Joe Biden the letter out there about to say enya re-election na o siki se obepe no obeto aso biem se okwa akoto aso akwa akope eno hu nchiremu na GH Live pokekra kwan so yere atudwa ama enachefo a etie ye nti afei eno join channel na wo hwe video ya de tie nyina ene se afe election a eba so ewo American brochimemu a yenim se Republican Party no wo mo ayi opanyi Donald Trump se ono na eni omanim no na party for fry a can also a Democrat. Woman so a Joseph Robinette Biden Jr. So no and Emra Mayomo Franca 24 Nanka on seeking re-election. Ebidum bonus opening na pom dinner no ayabi ho anasa okasakra essence so sana dona efano nemom obajia tum so obesi form ana onsi form and na AGA your friend is July Bosome Sunday 21st the year of our Lord 2024. Opani anidin edi Joseph Robinette Biden Jr. I won afi November 20th, 1942. Nei ono ene American mampanyin or say enya dia obeto aso se osiki for re-election and also kakra ababetojwa a pokekra kwan so yeri tujwa ama enetiefo enti omampanyin no ena odaso a ohwe no kama no also re-election a okwa akope between on Trump omuka kopre no in November enya de asa dwumadie no wode ebeto aso ebiem wode si hono nemmom nigidie na reshe mu nyina ene se oba a oyi ne se vice president edema oman United States of America no aba a ne din ede Kamala Harris wono no oba endorse no se oba yi onimde oba adwumaden pa na wadi machi chigina pa kwan so a enye fedi agro enti ono no obeka se amanfo yi mumfra yie na yie mra munko na afi abanom ebeya Democrat for empene na afi bibia ntimi nko na bibia enye nkunimdie kwan so amanfo bebre ene de reaction eba na Biden granddaughter ono so de kakra ba or said nothing but proud today of my pop and also kakra Naomi Biden edi ababetuja or say of papa na say grandfather ne nana no Ojidi say ene ede girl the ababetuja say on to us biem as nominee no name beto us as a president to November ne de one ne ya adwen name nothing but proud today of Nepal and no enchemu a eba ewo mu Biden ene odi tuja say vice president oba anide Kamala Harris no ono no endorse no say on to us way nanka omameye omampanyi anase onko ene opanyi Donald Trump enkonkopre no munsi agan na bibia enwe pay election 2024 live update. Biden says he will end his re-election bid, endorses Harris eno enchemu a ababetojwa yedema yenati for live ewo jumadi kase so GH Live ye koba bia ye din koma wodo se na beboa na bibia awie nkunimdie so na pokekra kwan so breaking news ba na ere atudwa ere ama ye na tiefo enti se sia de Kamala Devi Harris ono afe 1964 20th October ena onini osikabom kama ewo no a nei woye vice president edema United States of America menoka said de opanyin anidin edi Joe Biden se akonya no or twas a president de name election eda o mani ma November bosumi no no ne atodwa se eso ne Donald Trump ekopre no eno se wo hwe ne energy ene ne ma atwa no ho ahia okasa wo kwa akopre sa akonya na enwe peye nti wote ya eno na kufahye kwan so pokekra yede to fam edi ama ye na tiefo no omampanyin andin edi Joe Biden. Yes, Joe Biden or say election on siki for re-election. On siki for re-election. Joseph Robinette Biden Jr. Joseph Robinette Biden Jr. Yes, or say on to asubim. Name of dozuma mia. What I screen see and the Eddie Kamala Devi Harris or no and encore any Donald Trump and conquer Priera Sonia Diashamu. Subscribe to this channel. Na etofem say ya pokekra kwan so no yemfa enhia na bibia enwe pay channel we de efa politics efa breaking news efa sports efa dada sitena mu nkomo akwantio mu nkomo bibia ye di hia wo na awie pay enti news ni nyina news within news, and as a news behind news. And it's a Joseph Robinette Biden Jr. or say election at that America mining in November no on to us BM say or call aqua. Thank you for watching. Yet Sony Diashia must subscribe to the channel. Now if you also 1 year free motor. Yet I say
everybody subscribe to GH Live. Everybody,